idea box. It's really a waste of plastic. Who's Martin? It's so cute! Wash timers. Ooh, spin timer. I didn't know it could spin dry. This is the little tiny basket. Okay, we'll figure it out and then I'll show you how it works, if it works. I bought this machine because to wash my period panties and my dog's reusable diaper pads. I hand wash these and it's really very nakakatamad. So my problem is this. Dirty. Oh! Oh wow! Oh, it works. Han! Look! So, what is my expert shopper opinion? Is it worth buying or not? Let's talk pros. Pros, I think it's very good if you're like single or you're a mom, because you can use it to wash your diapers, your reusable diapers, like right after. If you're single, when you get home from work, just put your shirt in, your clothes. And for people like me who use a lot of reusable stuff, period panties, my dog's reusable underwear. I also like how it's small, so I can easily clean the tub when I switch from dog stuff to my stuff. The big washing machines are impossible to clean. Also, speaking of size, I feel like, you save water using this instead of hand washing, because I'm not very efficient when it comes to hand washing. I have no talent in laundry, ironing, or anything like that. I suck, really. So this is very good for people like me. And syempre, energy saving, because you don't have to hand wash, you just stick it in there. So, yep. Cons, no peace of mind, because as you saw in the video, it shakes terribly, and like I left for a while to do something, and I kept thinking, what if it toppled over, then the water spilled, and then there's like a short circuit in the bathroom. So I was like, you have to watch it, because I saw in other reviews that maybe when it's really full, it shakes violently and they really actually have to hold on to it, or maybe put it in a space where it can't move so much so you don't have to worry about it toppling over and spilling all the water. Another thing I don't like about it is the spinner is so small. It works. It really works. The little thing works, but then it can only fit like what, 1, 2, so you'd have to do things separately. So I think the spinner is just an add-on bonus, but it doesn't really work per se unless you just put underwear or one shirt. You still really need to hang dry your clothes. And third, there's no beeping sound when it's done, so you don't know if it's done spinning. You have to keep on checking or set the timer on your phone, since you know it's just very basic 5-10 minutes. Another thing, also the manual, it doesn't tell you to rinse. Good thing I have common sense. In the manual, it just tells you to load your clothes, wash, and then after do the spin cycle. But you know, they didn't put rinse. And there's not much really in the manual, so the first time you do it, it's actually kind of confusing because the manual is not helpful, especially with the timer, because it's pretty tough to turn it, and I was afraid like I might break it because you know, China, Shopee things. But there's really resistance, and you really have to turn it quite hard to get the timer to work. So there. But other than that, yes, definitely recommend. It's one of my best Shopee buys, and it was only like 1,800. I think I got it 6.6, so I was able to use some coupons. Anyway, I will link the product link below, and so you can check it out yourself. Hope you like this video. Bye!